at this time. Anything else for the record, counsel?
Nothing, Judge. Thank you for your time.
Have a good day. Mr. Zelenak, you're up. What case do you have?
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Zelenak, P276111. I'm here for Prudencia Solano Echevarria. And
Give me 1 second to find that name. I'm sorry, I have like a 10-page docket, so I got to flip through something.
and it's the name itself will take up 10 pages, Judge.
There's 2 people above the last one, Your Honor. It's 2 people above Somo.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. This is people. What's her first name?
Prudencia.
It's People versus Prudencia Solano Echevarria, KC 8085421, charges operating while intoxicated, high blood alcohol content. This matter is set for final pretrial. Counsel, how do we need to proceed?
Your Honor, I understand that an offer was going to be made, and I advised the clerk earlier this morning that my client, who was permitted to go visit her family out of the country, was delayed in New York. She's just arrived at Metro. If perhaps we could get a new date. I believe there should be a plea in the file. I was advised by Shannon that a plea was offered, and we intend to take advantage of it. But either that or I wait till she gets here.
Can we reconvene on the 13th of January? That's next Friday at 8:35.
Your Honor, I apologize. My daughter's having surgery that morning,
Oh.
and that might be,
Yeah.
you know, I could zoom in, but I'm going to be.
No. I want you fully present mentally and physically on Zoom. So how about Friday, January 20th or the 27th?
Your Honor, that works. The 20th is perfect. Nice seeing you, Judge. Thank you very
Good to
much.
see you. Have a good day.
8:30. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Your Honor. Malik Harrison is waiting to be let in the court.
Gotcha, Mr. James.
Your Honor, before you move on, I'm sorry to cut in. Did you close the breakout rooms like on purpose, or did they close on their own?
I closed them just because I couldn't figure it out. Are you co-host, Ms. Wilkerson?
Yes, can I go ahead and start putting people back in the breakout rooms?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that. Thank you.
No worries. All right.
Your courtroom 333 is blocked off for the entire week next week also, ma'am.
Ms. Wilkerson,
Okay.
Ms. Wilkerson, please do not put anybody in the breakout room that has the word ready by their name, please.
No, it's just my people, Ms. Bradfield.
Okay, thank you.
Madam Clerk, you're right, because I think there's new judges school next week.
Okay.
Can you contact Mr. Zelenak and get a date?
No, you gave him the 20th. I just wanted you to know, because at first you said the 13th. I just
Okay.
wanted to remind you.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, let me get back to your client, Mr. James. Just a
Thank you,
recap,
Your Honor.
People versus Malik Starks Harrison. All parties are present. Counsel takes his appearance on the record. Mr. Malik Starks Harrison, are you there?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Yes, I spoke with the city attorney, and my client wishes to avail himself of the offer made to him.
All right, and what's the plea offer?
A delayed sentence of 3 months.
All right. Mr. Harrison, if you can raise your right hand, the court will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? Mr. Harrison, do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can lower your hand, your name for the record.
Malik Harrison.
All right, Mr. Harrison, it's my understanding you wish to waive your trial rights and tender a plea of guilty pursuant to the plea offer. Is that right?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you give up your trial rights, which include the right to have the prosecutor prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You give up the right to testify at your trial, have witnesses appear on your behalf. You give up the right to be silent at your trial, not have your silence used against you. And you give up your right to an automatic appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You understand that if you are currently on probation or parole, tendering a plea of guilty could impact your status. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything other than this plea offer to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
All right, counsel, I'm going to need your assistance voir dire. I'm just looking at the register of action. It doesn't have any detail regarding the offense. It just has narcotic drug related violations. Do you know the specific nature of the offense?
Only thing I know is he was pulled over and they found narcotics in the car.
And narcotics and or narcotics paraphernalia?
Paraphernalia, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Harrison, were you in the city of Detroit on May 30th, 2022, 1:50 in the afternoon?
Yes.
Did you have in your possession a small amount, if possible, of narcotics or at least narcotic paraphernalia?
Yes.
And you didn't have the authority to be in possession of that, right?
No.
All right, counsel, you satisfied?
Yes, I'm satisfied.
Court is well satisfied with the guilty plea. Counsel, anything you'd like to say on your client's behalf?
Yes, my client understands the nature of these charges, and he plans to move forward and correct any errors that he had in the ways of moving around with those type of possessions in his vehicle. And I don't think you'll see him in your court again, Your Honor.
Mr. Harrison, anything you would like to say on your own behalf?
No, ma'am.
Court will impose a fine of $25, mandatory court cost $190 is $25, no attorney fee. $215 is the total amount due. I'll reduce it from 3-month delayed sentence to a dismissal upon payment. How soon can you pay that, Mr. Harris, or do you need community service?
I just started working, so I say sometimes between I say 2 weeks from now.
All right, I'm gonna give you until the 27th of January. That's 21 days. You have until the close of business, January 27th, to make full payment. You can pay it down here at the courthouse. You can visit any DivDat kiosk, or you can pay it online at the 36th District Court, all right?
Okay, I appreciate
All right.
you, Your Honor.
Anything else for the record, counsel?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, that concludes your matter. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Yes, enjoy your weekend.
You too. Bye-bye. All right, Counsel Miller, you're up. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. You're on
No
Ingram.
worries at all, Your Honor. Yep, I'm here for Ingram.
Okay, let me find that on the docket. Tamiko,
Correct.
this People versus Tamiko. All right, everybody mute your device until your case is called. Mr. Dubin, you're here on Sanders. What's the first name?
Kiana, Qiana.
1 second. Everyone mute your device. I just heard a smoke alarm go off.
Let me know. I do apologize. I'm in Third Circuit, so my service has been very shoddy. So I apologize if I skip if it skips or anything.
No worries. Just looking for Sanders. Kiana Sanders. This is People versus Kiana Sanders, case SP 139-73301, charge is speeding 31+ miles per hour over the posted speed limit. This matter is set for a formal hearing. Counsel, your appearance for the record.
Matt Dubin on behalf of Miss Sanders. I believe she is on too, Your Honor. I don't know if she's in the waiting room or not, but either way, I do have her permission to accept the plea, and her plea is responsible.
All right, is the officer present? I believe it's Officer Robert Johnson. Are you present? If so, please unmute your device and place your appearance on the record. Ms. Sanders, you're there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right.
Okay.
What are we doing, counsel? Is this a plea?
We have, yes, Your Honor, we have come up with a resolution where she agrees to impede to an impeding traffic and have her speeding ticket dismissed.
All right. Ms. Sanders, if you can raise your right hand, the court will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can lower your hand. Can you state your name for the record?
Kiana Sanders.
Ms. Sanders, is my understanding you wish to waive your hearing rights, tender a plea responsible to the amended charge of impeding. Is that right?
Yes,
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get you to tender a plea responsible to that charge?
no,
Okay, counsel, you and your client stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of factual basis on the responsible plea?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied the factual basis will accept the plea responsible, will amend that to an impeding traffic. The fine is $175. Ms. Sanders, are you able to pay that within 14 days?
yes,
All right, do so within 14 days. You can pay it online at the 36th District Court website. You can come down to the courthouse to pay, or you can visit any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Do you understand?
yes.
Mr. Dubin, anything else for the record?
No, Your Honor, thank you so much and Happy New Year to you.
You
And good
too.
luck with the rest of your day.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Winters, are you ready with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, and thank you for giving us an opportunity to consult. We're ready.
No worries. This is a recall on People versus Christian Sumner. All parties are present. Are we proceeding with the plea to the reduced failure to wear corrective lenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Sumner, I'm going to swear you in again. If you can raise your right hand, the court will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, your name for the record.
Christian Sumner.
Mr. Sumner, it's my understanding you wish to waive your trial rights and tender a plea of guilty to the amended charge of failure to wear corrective lenses. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you give up your trial rights, which include the right to have the prosecutor prove you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You give up the right to testify at your trial, have witnesses appear on your behalf. You give up the right to be silent at your trial, not have your silence used against you, and you give up your right to an automatic appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand that if you are currently on probation or parole, tendering a plea of guilty could impact your status? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything other than this plea offer to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Mr. Sumner, I'll draw your attention back to May 3rd, 2022, 1:49 in the afternoon. You were operating a 2015 Ram in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you tendering a plea of guilty to leaving the scene of a property accident at that time of a personal injury accident, understanding it will be reduced to a failure to wear corrective lenses? Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, counsel, you satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is well satisfied, will accept the guilty plea, will amend that charge to failure to wear corrective lenses. Counsel, anything you'd like to say on your client's behalf?
No, this is a good young man who made a mistake, got a bright future ahead of him. I would only ask the court assess some nominal fees and costs, if any.
All right, Mr. Sumner, anything you would like to say?
No, Your Honor, that'd be it.
Court will impose a fine of $25, mandatory court cost $190, $215 is the total amount due. Mr. Sumner, are you able to pay that or do you need community service?
No, I can pay it.
Okay, when can you make full payment?
I can pay it right now.
All right, pay by the close of business. I'll give you until next Friday, January 13th. Pay by the close of business. You can pay it online at the 36th District Court website. You can pay at any DivDat kiosk or come down to the courthouse to make payment, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, that concludes your hearing. Everyone have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're
Always
welcome.
a pleasure seeing you.
Good to see you. Bye-bye. Mr. Taylor, you're up. Who's your client? You're muted.
Carlos Smith.
All right, give me
It's
one
been
moment to find his name on my docket.
It's the Karles. He's been here.
Did you say Paula or Pablo?
Carlos, I'm sorry. How
Oh,
you doing?
Carlos.
Carlos Smith. We're just gonna set it for a bench trial, yeah.
Okay, give me 1 second. You have provided valid documentation. If there are any fees that were attached to your cases, they are waived at this time and no money is owed and or due, okay? So your matters are dismissed. Everyone have a great day. Stay safe.
Okay,
too.
thank you. You too.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're ready for a responsible plea for Mr. Stewart, Darren Stewart, Stewart with a T.
Thank you. This is people,
Hello?
Darren Stewart, case SP 131833941, no insurance misdemeanor, SP 12953-571, improper equipment, count 2, defective brake lights. Counsel, your appearance?
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Stewart. State your name for the record, sir. Mr. Stewart?
Darren Stewart? Unmute your device, Mr. Stewart. Mr. Stewart, unmute your device. Okay, I requested that he unmute. Mr. Stewart, we can't handle your case unless you unmute your device. Let me see who's on this phone. Good morning. Who's on the phone number ending in 2619?
Excuse me,
What's your
Hello?
name, sir? Yes, what's your name?
Dwayne Smith.
Dwayne Smith?
Yes,
All right. Is that D-U-A-N-E or D-E-W-A-Y-N-E?
Duane.
All right.
Darren Stewart.
All right, Mr. Stewart, just hold the line. I'll bring you back in. when you're
Okay.
ready.
Okay.
All right. Who else is ready? Counsel.
Oh,
Mr. Stewart. Darren
Yes.
Stewart?
Yes,
All right. What's your
Yes.
name, Darren Stewart?
Darren Stewart.
Counsel?
Your Honor, Mr. Stewart is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a responsible plea and accept people's recommendation brake light.
Okay, Darren Stewart, if you can raise your right hand, the court will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, your name for the record.
I'm not on video. My hand is raised up though.
That's fine. What's your name, Mr. Darren Stewart?
Darren Stewart.
All right. Mr. Stewart, it's my understanding you wish to waive your trial rights and tender a plea responsible to defective brake lights. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get you to waive your trial rights?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading responsible on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are you and your client stipulating to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis on the responsible plea?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied the factual basis will accept the plea responsible, will dismiss the remaining matters with stipulation of probable cause.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
That matter is dismissed. You by chance know the fine for the defective brake lights, Ms. Bradfield?
No, I do not.
Madam Clerk, can you look up that fine for me, please?
Brake lights, yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Thank you. Ms. Bradfield, who will be up next that you're ready on?
I'm waiting on offers for Adrian Sanchez and Robin Sutton.
Okay.
I sent an email to Mr. Morgan, but I saw that Mr. Rosenthal appeared in court today. So I just waiting on verification from either one for offers.
Okay. Sergeant Michon,
Yes, ma'am.
who are you here on?
Mustafa Sharif.
Okay.
I don't have it offhand, Your Honor, it's saying $200 for defective brakes for an equipment violation.
That's not it.
No,
Well,
I need,
Mr. Stewart, it's your lucky day. Since I can't figure out the fine, $0. No fines or costs associated with you. That concludes your matter. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Anybody else you see on the screen, Ms. Bradfield, you can proceed on? Mr.
No, I
Mr.
no
Boswell?
longer have host capability, co-host capability. So if possible, if you could give me, I need some people put back into the breakout rooms so
Gotcha.
I can speak to them. Thank you.
Corporal Rule, you're here on Dwayne Smith? I think he's still speaking with an attorney.
Yes, I'm here on Dwayne Smith.
Yeah. Let me see who's on the phone here. Good morning. Who's on the phone?
My name is Tanika.
No,
Okay.
Ms. Eggleston, I got you, Ms. Eggleston. Mute your device. Who's on the phone number ending in 7409?
I am Martine Stinson.
Spell your first name, please.
Marteen. Last name Stinson.
STINSON.
STENSON.
All right, I apologize. All right, Ms. Stinson, just hold the line. We'll be with you shortly. I'm gonna
Thank you.
put you on mute. Let me see if Ms. Wilkerson has anybody ready. I have an 11 o'clock court meeting, so trying to get everyone out.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm on a tablet, so I can't put people in the breakout rooms. If you could start putting people in the breakout room that does not have Ms. Wilkerson's name to it, preferably put them in the odd room, since I told her I will have odds and she'll have evens.
I would help you, Your Honor.
Yeah. That's not my brain, that request. That's short. This is People versus Michael Leon Stokes, case U536. I believe that's a 87019, alcohol-related violation, 212-7260631, driving while license not valid. Counsel, your appearance.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Stokes, P70578. What's your name for the record, sir?
Michael Leon Stokes.
Your Honor, Mr. Stokes is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a no contest plea for lack of memory and accept the people's recommendation.
And what's the recommendation?
A 3-month delayed sentence on the alcohol-related violation, dismissal of the other matter.
All right, Mr. Stokes, if you can raise your right hand, the court will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. Can you state your name for the record?
Michael Leon Stokes.
Sir, it's my understanding that you wish to waive your trial rights and tender a plea of no contest pursuant to the plea offer. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading no contest, you give up your rights to a trial, which include the right to have the prosecutor prove you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You give up the right to testify at your trial, have witnesses appear on your behalf. You give up the right to be silent at your trial, not have your silence used against you. Give up your right to an automatic appeal. Do you understand that? Mr. Earl, if you can go off camera while you eat your breakfast, please, I'd appreciate that. Do you understand that, Mr. Stokes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you understand that by pleading no contest, if you are currently, it's treated the same as a guilty plea? Do you understand that? As
Yes,
far as
ma'am.
probation? Okay. Do you understand that if you are on probation or parole, tendering a plea of no contest could impact your status? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything other than this plea offer to get you to plead no contest?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading no contest on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are you and your client stipulating to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis on the no contest plea?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, the court satisfied the factual basis will accept the plea of no contest, will dismiss the remaining matter with stipulation of probable cause.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
That matter is dismissed. Counsel, anything you'd like to say on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor. My client has been incarcerated in Wayne County Jail for the past 10 months. I would like to ask for credit for time served.
Mr. Stokes, anything you would like to say on your own behalf?
No, ma'am.
Court will impose 5 days Wayne County Jail credit for time served. Any outstanding warrant fees will be waived. Anything else you need to place on the record, Mr. Stokes?
No, ma'am.
All right, that concludes your hearing. Please have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor,
Same to you.
Your Honor, so is it the delayed sentence still open for the 3 months?
I'll dismiss it.
Thank you.
Right now. Okay.
Thank
Okay, I'll let you, or do you have co-hosting capabilities, Ms. Bradford? I'll let you bring in whoever you're ready. Okay. Christian Sumner, case SP 134-86351, charges leaving the scene of a personal injury accident. Counsel, may I have your appearance for the record, please? Bring her in.
William J. Winters, Your Honor, P 35975 on behalf of Mr. Sumner. Who should be present in the main room. If not, he'll be joining us shortly. But I believe we've reached a resolution. I don't know whether it's reflected in the file.
I am working in my chambers. I don't have the physical.
Oh, I see. I see.
Mhm. So, Christian Sumner, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Christian Sumner.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding? What's the plea that we're doing?
Accepting responsibility for failure to wear corrective lenses.
All right. Mr. Sumner, if you can raise your right hand, the court will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand. Can you state your name for the record?
Christian Sumner.
Mr. Sumner, it's my understanding you wish to waive your trial rights and tender a plea responsible to the plea of, is that a civil infraction, yes?
Yes, Your
Honor. And leaving the scene of a personal injury accident is in fact a misdemeanor, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is that right, Mr. Winters? Because I know previously, years ago, we've had issues converting
Your Honor,
civil infractions.
Your Honor, if I may, this is the prosecutor. I'm physically in the courtroom. I'm not on Zoom.
Okay.
The corrective lenses is a misdemeanor. That is not a civil infraction. That's a 2-point misdemeanor. The individual did take the course, Your Honor, certificate of completion, talked to co-counsel, and so we're going to be reducing that 6-point offense, leaving the scene, to the corrective lenses, to the 2-point misdemeanor.
Thank you so much for that clarification.
I'm sorry. There was another option on the table as well. And I assume
no,
that these would
What
both
was
be, Mr. Rosenthal, these would both be misdemeanors, or one is a civil infraction?
What's the other count? Because I only had the misdemeanor. Did something go in default?
No, it's failure to the waste vehicle option.
No, those are both misdemeanors. It's just, I usually do failure to comply with the waste utility vehicle instead of corrective lenses. They're both misdemeanors. I'm fine with just doing corrective lenses. They're both 2-point misdemeanors.
Understood then. Your Honor, I just want Mr. Sumner to understand fully. So perhaps
Ingram, case SP 1349386, count 1. Failure to wear a seatbelt, count 2. Speeding 6 to 10 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, count 3. Driving while licensed suspended. Counsel, your appearance.
Clay Miller on behalf of defendant Tamiko Ingram, P 86291. Mr. Ingram, please state your name for the record.
Tamiko Ingram, I need you to unmute your device if you're here. State your name for the record. Hold on 1 second. I wonder if he's somewhere in the breakout room.
Yeah, he was just here.
Yep, he was in the breakout room. Okay, I brought him in the main session. Is this going to be a plea, counsel?
No, Your Honor, I believe the officers are not present. I would
Okay.
like to make a motion to dismiss. I
right.
want to double check that they're not here, though.
Let me make sure no officers are in my breakout rooms. I got Corporal Rule, Sergeant Carson, Sergeant Michonne.
No, it's Officer Justin Bardaway and Officer Alyssa T. Joe Queen.
I have not had anyone by their name check in today, Your Honor.
Thank you. And none of those officers are in the breakout room. So this matter is set for trials at 8:35 a.m. The issuing officers having failed to appear is now 10:32 a.m. These matters will be dismissed without prejudice for failure of the officer to appear. Anything else for the record, counsel?
That'll do it. Thank you, Your Honor.
That concludes your hearing. Have a great day.
Yep, have a good weekend. Happy New Year.
Bye-bye. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready?
I need to speak to the prosecutor again.
All right. Keith Smith, I see you're eating popcorn. Can you go off camera? You have some popcorn in your beard as well. Constance Reed Smith, case SP 1366467, charges unregistered motor vehicle. Counsel, your appearance.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Smith. State your name for the record.
Constance Smith.
Your Honor, she would like to set this matter for a bench trial. She is aware of her jury trial rights. Is that correct, Ms. Smith?
Yes.
Ms. Smith, do you understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get you to give up your right to a jury trial?
No.
You're not guilty, please continue. This matter is set for a bench trial. Your bench trial date will be via Zoom on the 7th of February, 2023 at 8:35 in the morning. You'll dial back into the Zoom courtroom on the 7th of February, 2023 at 8:35 in the morning. Personal bond is continued. Conditions of your bond: no driving without a valid license, insurance, or registration. Do you understand?
Yes.
That concludes your hearing, ma'am. Have a great day. Stay safe.
You too. Thank you.
Who's next?
Carl Spiller.
Spiller with the T or Spiller with the P?
Spiller with the P. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. It's People versus Carl Spiller II, SP 1369262, count 1, improper lane use, count 2, no operator's license on person, count 3, failure to signal on a turn or leaving the curb. This matter is set for a pre-trial and pre-hearing. Counsel, your appearance.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Spiller. State your name for the record, sir.
Carl Brent Spiller II.
Your Honor, Mr. Spiller.
Not your case. There's another Spite on the line. This is not your case, Mercedes. Miss Wilma Spite, it's my understanding you wish to continue your not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get you to give up your right to a jury trial?
No.
Okay, the court will continue your not guilty plea. This matter will be set for a bench trial. Counsel, you available on the 7th of February, 2023 at 8:35?
Your Honor, I don't have my calendar on me right now, but I'll make it my business. February 27th, I'm sorry, February 7th at 8:30.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, bond and conditions are continued. Anything else for the record?
Is that trial in person or by Zoom?
By Zoom.
Excellent. Thank you, Judge. We're all set.
Have a good day. Stay safe.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, hold on.
Ed Taylor's ready, Your Honor.
Okay, let me get Mr. Dubbin, you ready?
Yes, yes.
So we could recall or pass this case for right now.
Absolutely. I can place you in the breakout room as well.
That'd be great, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sorry about the
No
confusion.
worries. No worries. Okay, these breakout rooms are. Okay, I have to put you in breakout room number 36.
I'm supposed to be in one.
Hold on 1 second.
I'm also ready on Sanders whenever you are, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. 1 moment. Whoever has access to the breakout rooms, because the way they're set up now, this is not courtroom. It's a little funky for me. Can you put Mr. Winters and Mr. Sumner's in the breakout room?
Hey, man, what's my referral, boy?
Daphne, are you there?
You can, maybe co-host Your Honor?
I just need somebody to put Mr. Winters and Mr. Sumner's in the breakout room.
And this Mr. Elliott?
And if everybody mute your device, everybody.
Your Honor, without even us going in the breakout room, perhaps Mr. Sumner and I can speak in an alternative way.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. I'm just gonna clear the breakout room because I can't deal with this.
Please state your name, Mr. Coleman.
Everybody mute your device, please. Mute your device. Mute your device. Let me get the courtroom situated. Carlos James.
Yes.
All right, this is People versus Carlos James Smith, case SP 13196431. What is that charge, Mr. Prosecutor, Mr. Rosenthal, count 1? Mr. Taylor, what's count 1?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. I think it's
We have a couple of accident tickets and no proof of insurance. And since I'm not working with the actual,
Accident, we disregard signal red or amber for count 1. And count two is accident drove without due care and or caution.
And there are two other counts, 2 and 3, counts 2 and 3. No proof of insurance is count 3, and what's count 2?
Count two is accident drove without due care and or caution.
Okay, counsel, your appearance for the record?
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Carlos Smith.
Carlos Smith, can you state your name for the record if you're present? All right, counsel, you waiving your client's appearance for purposes of this hearing?
I will, Your Honor.
All right, how's your client proceeding?
We're going to just set it for a bench trial. You got to take.
Okay,
time.
and you
All right.
spoke with your client about his right to a jury trial?
sure.
I'm sorry, that,
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
okay, the court will continue. Your client's not guilty. Please set this matter for a bench trial. The bench trial will occur on the 7th of February, 2023 at 8:35 in the morning. Bond and bond conditions are continued. Anything else for the record, counsel?
No, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye. Brian Elliott, you're up. Wait, are you counsel, Brian Elliott? Maybe not. Chester James.
Yes, we're ready on Malik Harrison Starks.
Okay. What's your client's last name?
It's either Starks Harrison or Harrison Starks. I'm confused at this point.
No worries.
For me. Good morning to you. You said your name was Ethel?
Counsel, you might be in another courtroom. Are you able to kind of silence that courtroom a
Oh,
little?
absolutely. I apologize, Your Honor.
That's a person count 2, open alcohol in the motor vehicle. Also calling People versus Mercedes Spite, case SP 1319931, count 1, driving on a revoked license, count 2, no proof of insurance, count 3, improper display of a plate. These matters are set for pretrial and pre-hearings. Counsel, your appearances for the record.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of both clients. Mr. Swain, state your name for the record.
Mr. Swain, go ahead.
Erwin Swain.
Ms. Spite, state your name. Your Honor, both of them are aware of the jury trial rights. However, they would like to ask that these matters be set for bench trial. Is that correct, Mr. Swain?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that correct, Ms. Spite?
Yes.
All right, it's my understanding that you each wish to waive your jury trial rights and set these matters for a bench trial. Is that right, Mr. Swain?
Yes.
Is that right, Ms. Spite?
Yes.
Do each of you understand that you have a right to a jury trial? Mr. Swain?
Yes.
Ms. Spite?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get you to give up your right to a jury trial, Mr. Swain?
Nope.
Ms. Spite?
No.
The court will continue your not guilty pleas. These matters will be set for a bench trial. You report to Zoom for your bench trial date on the 7th of February, 2023, 8:35 in the morning. Your bond and bond conditions are continued. Mr. Swain, your bond, recalling the outstanding warrant, set your bond at a personal bond. Conditions of each of your bonds: no driving without a valid license, insurance, or registration. Do you understand, Mr. Swain?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Spite?
Yes.
That concludes your hearing. You all have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you. You do the same.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Counsel, who's next?
Your Honor, I have two clients that I have a motion to dismiss for valid documentation.
Okay.
And that is Charlie Showers and Miguel Scabon.
Okay. Showers, okay.
Charlie.
Miguel Scabon, SX 4083541, charges unregistered motor vehicle. That matter is set for a pretrial. Let me call Showers. People versus Melvin Showers, SP 130102522. Is that the improper lane use, or is there another shower?
No, Charlie Showers.
Are you saying Showers, SHOWER?
Yes, Showers, and the first name is Charlie.
Okay. That's the Showers. People versus Charlie Showers, SP 136524882, no insurance misdemeanor. That matter is set for a show cause. Counsel, your appearance.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Showers and Mr. Scabon. State your name, Ms. Showers, for the record.
You're muted, Ms. Charlie Showers.
Charlie Showers.
Okay. Mr. Scarbone, state your name for the record.
Noel Scabon.
Okay. Your Honor, I did verify both of their documentation they provided to the court today. We'd like to make a motion to dismiss both matters.
I think matters will be dismissed as each of you. Shoot me a chat when you're ready for me to call your case.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Body, are you ready?
Yes, Judge, I'm ready.
Okay, what's your client's last name?
Shamoon, Somo Shamoon.
Sorry, Your Honor, I will help you identify it, but mine is triple space, so we're not on the same.
Oh, I
page.
see what you're saying. Yeah. No worries.
Definitely at 8:35.
Okay. Sometimes my. Do you see it, Madam Clerk?
It's SOMO Shamoon. Yep, it's 8:35, right above Mercedes Fight.
Unmute your device right now so we can get this case on the record.
Unless he's in the waiting room.
Nope. I got Isaiah Standifer Hudgens and Ariana Edwards in the waiting room. You want to contact your client? Make sure.
Absolutely.
Okay, I'll be right back with you. Attorney Bazzi?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Who you got?
Your Honor, this case is something that's scheduled for at 1:30 today.
Mr. Bazzi's case?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, thank you for drawing my attention to that. What do we need to do, Mr. Bazzi?
Judge, I just texted Matt. I'm just waiting for him to call me back. I heard him say he was in the courtroom. I just want to get it resolved. I think we already did a long time ago. We just couldn't find the ticket.
Okay.
He's aware of his jury trial rights. However, he would like to set this matter for a bench trial. Is that correct, Mr. Spiller?
Correct.
Mrs. Spiller, you understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get you to give up your right to a jury trial?
No.
You're not guilty, please continue. This matter will be set for a bench trial. You report back to Zoom for your bench trial date, the 7th of February, 2023 at 8:35 in the morning. Your bond is continued. Conditions of your bond: no driving without a valid license, insurance, or registration. Do you understand?
Correct. Yes, I did.
That concludes your hearing. So you have a great day and stay safe.
You do the same. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Who's next, counsel?
Derwin Swain?
Are these people who need trial dates?
Yes.
Okay, we can call them all in.
Okay. Derwin Swain, Mercedes Fight.
Okay, hold on. That's Wayne. Right. Okay,
Yeah.
those two?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is People versus Derwin DeLon Swain, case SP 72816, count 1, driver's license never acquired, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, providing false proof of insurance, 204-00328, count 1, no operator's license on file. If you want to go off camera, then we'll take care of your case as soon as that's done. Okay. I think I've handled all retained counsels that's ready. Ms. Bradfield, who are you ready on?
I'm ready on quite a few matters. Do you want the ones that set a new date first?
Let's get any ones with officers attached.
I have no, I have no
Excuse me,
officers, but I
Judge.
do have Wayne County.
I was just gonna ask, we have a
handle that
trial
matter.
starting here. I was wondering if we could either come back in about 45 minutes or if we could handle the matter, because we have a trial that's starting in about 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna get you taken care of right now. You
I'm
ready
ready.
on Michael Stokes?
Yes, I'm ready on Stokes.
All right. Let me find the name on the record on my docket.
I think it's 9 o'clock, Your Honor. Let me double check. I think it's 9:30.
Thank you.
Oh, it's the 9:30, Your Honor.
Right, this is Wilma.
Okay, this is People versus Wilma Spike, case SP 1317142, count 1, disregarding officer signal, count 2, no proof of insurance. This matter is set for a pretrial and pre-hearing. Counsel, your appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, my name is Lowell Friedman, P56185, on behalf of defendant Wilma Spite, who's seated to my right.
All right, how are we proceeding on this matter?
Your Honor, I've confirmed with the prosecutor, we're going to schedule this matter for a bench trial before Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Spite, if you can raise your right hand, the court will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I
You
do.
can lower your hand, your name for the record.
Yes,
Your name.
Wilma, and that's Spate.
All right, Ms. Spite, is my understanding you wish to continue, you're not guilty plea